Hi there, this is Ray, the nutritionist at Education Futures Trust, and welcome to the third instalment of Ready Recipes. And this week we're going to be cooking a tikka curry. Okay, so you should have in your bags and your food boxes this week, you should have some tikka masala spice paste, an onion which I've chopped, some chickpeas which are drained, sweet potato which I've just cubed to about centimetre cube, some fresh spinach, tin of tomatoes, garam masala and some coconut milk. So let's get cooking. First of all, pop some oil in the pan. And we will get some of our tikka spice paste. So you can put however much you like in, depending on your preference of how hot you like things. I'm quite a hot person, so I'm going to put a good heaped tablespoon in there. Give that a little stir around. Want that over about a medium heat. Just fry that off until you can smell the spices. Add in your onion. I've got red and white onion here, but it's just because that's what I had to use up. So. Add in my sweet potato. I will just leave that to fry off for a few minutes until the onion has gone translucent or slightly golden at the edges. Back in a sec. So once you've fried that off for about 5 minutes, your onion looks quite cooked. You're going to add in your tin of tomatoes. If that's plum tomatoes, you can give them a little bit of a chop. So I'm trying to shoot in landscape this week because it's better for videos, but my kitchen's not really big enough. But I want to show you what I'm cooking. I think that's more important than me. I've already got my rice on. I quite like a whole grain rice. If you're the same, if that's what you've got, then I'd start that cooking before the curry because it takes quite a while to cook. If you're a white rice person, then you can start that when you've sort of made the curry and it's cooking off. So you can add the coconut cream and the chickpeas and hope the pan is big enough. Give that a little stir. So you just want to bring that to the boil and then simmer that until your sweet potato is cooked. It should be reduced down a little bit. Right, we'll leave that to cook off and come back when it is reduced down. Hi, welcome back. Right, this has thickened up lovely. The sweet potato is cooked. I had a little try of it and added another tablespoon of the spice paste. I decided mine wasn't hot enough, so that was a good couple of tablespoons I've added in there. Once that's cooked, you can add your fresh spinach and let that wilt down. You can use a high-sided pan. I'm just using this so that you can see what I'm doing. So we used coconut milk in this recipe, which isn't usual for sort of a tikka masala. That's because we aren't able to give out fresh ingredients. So I would normally maybe use Greek yogurt or plain yogurt, natural yogurt in there. I love coconut milk though, so this is a nice treat. And it does go well with veganuary, or anybody who doesn't eat any animal products, plant-based diet, which is very popular now. That's another reason why I've chosen whole grain rice for mine. If you're not eating meat this month, or you don't eat meat, it's a good idea to learn about complete proteins, which would be plant proteins often aren't complete, which animal proteins are. They can be used straight away by your body for building muscle and repair and things. But if you're not eating meat, you want to pair legumes, which are beans and nuts and things, with whole grain. So your peanut butter on toast, hummus and whole grain pitta, chickpeas and whole grain rice. So that will complete the proteins. And we've got a nice little selection of colour of veg. We've got a nice bit of green in there, and we've got the red and orange potatoes. So all in all, this is a very healthy curry. And last but not least, we're going to add some garam masala. So a teaspoon of that, sprinkle that over the top and stir that in. Right, and that is ready. I hope you do enjoy your curry. Please do send us a photo. You can put it in the comments. You can hashtag with EFT Ready Recipes. So that'd be all one word in a hashtag, EFT Ready Recipes. We would love to see what you've made, and if you've altered them in any way and how it's gone. That'd be great. Cheers, bye.